Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of StarWalk 2 weekly on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about StarWalk 2 and you can click. Then in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your and your watching.